Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a retro style text. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to understand what retro style entails. According to Wikipedia, retro style is a style that is consciously derivative or imitative of trends, modes, fashions, or attitudes of the recent past. Which brings us to the vibrant era of the 70s, characterized by bold typography and groovy aesthetics, along with a color palette that ranges from earthy tones to lively and vibrant hues. Now that we have a better understanding of what we're aiming for, let's jump right into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is to add these colors up here in the Swatches panel to be able to access them easily. Choose your first color, then click on this arrow, and then click on New Swatch, and hit OK. Then choose your second color and do the same thing. Repeat this process for all your colors. As you can see now, all your colors are saved here. If you want to use the same colors as mine, here are the hex codes for all of them. So now choose the type tool and type whatever you want. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to type the word retro. Adjust the size and the placement, and choose your preferred font. So now I need to convert my text into a shape. To do that, you can just click right on your mouse and click on Create Outlines, or go to Type and choose Create Outlines. As you can see, some intersections between the letters appeared, which will cause some issues later. So to get rid of them, go to Pathfinder. If you can't see it, just go to Window and click on Pathfinder. And then go click on Unite. As you can see now, those intersections are gone. Now I'm going to click on Edit and Copy. And then Edit and Paste in place in order to duplicate it. I'll hide the topper copy for now and select the lower copy and get rid of its fill. I want just the stroke. I'll choose this color from here and change this number to 10 points. Now go to the Appearance panel. If you can't find it, go to Window and click on it. Double-click on Contents and then select the stroke. Click on Add New Effect. Distort and Transform, and then click on Transform. The panel will pop up. Note that these settings are variable to each one of you. Here in the horizontal and vertical move, I'll type 0.1. Make sure that this preview box is checked to see what you are doing. Change the copy number to 75, and then adjust it until you're pleased with the result, and hit OK. Now I'll unhide this layer and change its color to the same color as the background. Now choose this layer and then convert it from stroke into shape by clicking on Object and then on Expand Appearance. And again on Object and then Expand and hit OK. With this layer selected, click and hold Alt, then drag the stroke down. And hold Shift to drag in a straight line. Now put this copy below the original and change the color. With the copy layer selected, click and hold Alt, then drag the stroke down, and hold Shift to drag in a straight line, the same as the first one. Now put this copy below the original and change the color in the same way we did the first time. You can adjust the position until you're satisfied. Now repeat this process one more time. I'll readjust this one again. Now select all these colored layers, go to Object, and then click on Group. Now select this group and this layer and group them also, just temporarily to align them properly with the artboard. Now ungroup them. Unlock the background layer and select it, then go to Effect, Artistic, and then click on Film Grain. For the grain, I chose 2. Highlight area 20, intensity is 0. Now as you can see, the grain effect has been added to the background. Now select this group and go to Edit, click on Copy. Edit again and click on Paste and back to duplicate it. Now with this copy selected, choose Fill and click on None. And click on Stroke, choose the same color as the background and change this number to 10 points. Now click on Stroke and change the style of the stroke as you want. For me, I'll choose round corners. Now select this layer and go to Effect, click on Distort and choose Diffuse Glow. The graininess is 6, glow amount is 4, and the clear amount is 20. Now I'll create a rainbow for the background. To do so, I'll choose the Ellipse tool. Now click and drag while holding Shift to create a perfect circle, and then choose the Direct Selection tool. Select the lower anchor point and delete it. Now align it to the artboard and adjust its size. Now go to Edit and click on Copy, edit again and click on Paste and back. Now click and hold Shift to maintain its shape and drag it down. Now change its color. And then I'll do the same step to this half circle as before. Make sure to change the color and repeat this step one more time. Now select all of them and group them together. Place them right above the background layer. To keep everything organized, I'll name each layer. Now with the rainbow layer selected, go to Effect and click on Apply Diffuse Glow. As you can see, the exact effect with the same settings as before has been applied to it. Now select everything with the background included and group them together. Now go to the transparency panel. If you can't find it, just go to Window and you'll be able to find it. With everything selected, click on Make Mask. Now you can't see anything, but don't worry. Click on File and then on Open. I'll leave a link where you can download these images in the description below. I'll choose this image, but feel free to choose whatever you like. Now select the image, go to Edit and click on Copy. Go now to your file and click on this black square, and then go to Edit and click on Paste. Now click on Invert Mask and voila! Feel free to adjust the mask as you want. If you want to edit the content, just click on this square here. And if you want to remove the mask, just click here on Release from the transparency panel. That was it. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.